Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir without kefir grains. Many people believe you need specific grains to make this probiotic-rich drink, but that's not always true. We'll explore a fantastic alternative method that uses a small amount of pre-made kefir or a high-quality probiotic starter culture. This approach is incredibly straightforward, making it an excellent option for anyone new to fermentation or those who simply don't have access to traditional kefir grains. Get ready to enjoy homemade kefir with ease. To begin your kefir journey, you'll need just a few simple items. Start with about 1 liter of fresh, good-quality whole milk. The fat content helps with fermentation. For your starter, you'll need 2 tablespoons of plain, store-bought kefir that contains live active cultures. If kefir isn't available, a high-quality probiotic capsule or even a small amount of cultured buttermilk can work. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band to secure it. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Carefully pour your 1 liter of fresh milk into the clean glass jar. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of your starter culture, whether it's store-bought kefir, a probiotic capsule, or buttermilk directly into the milk. Give it a gentle stir with a non-metal spoon to ensure everything is well mixed. Cover the jar with your breathable cloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Place it in a warm spot, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it ferment for 24 to 48 hours. Once your kefir has fermented for about 24 to 48 hours, it should have thickened and developed a pleasant, tangy aroma. It's time to strain it. Gently pour the fermented mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, separating any small curds that may have formed. Your delicious, homemade kefir is now ready. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Enjoy it plain, or add it to your favorite smoothies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.